Hello, WordPress website creators. This is a professional website for workspace or co working space. It has got a wonderful look, all the features that we may need for such service. And this is another one. This is for software product landing. Similarly, we have multiple options with the theme that we are going to use and overview in this video. So either you can create the software website, software services, workspace, the charity services, and the product landing. So further, we have more layouts like interior or agency website. So this is going to be a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and if you are willing to choose a creative multi-purpose WordPress theme, we have Rakon in this video. So this video is going to help you in understanding all the features that you can use with the theme, how to install and how to customize, and what are the best options available, so that it may be very clear to uh, path or buying the theme on the themeforest.net. So of course you can buy the theme for $39, but yes, you need to watch this complete video before you take the buying decision, and you have hundreds of themes on this channel itself to choose and compare. So you can simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website, and you can even get in touch with us through the iCreate program. So let us install the Rakon WordPress theme, and we can target multiple websites as I shown you. So this is another good one, multiple creative multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it comes with the Elementor and WPBakery page builder both. So this is another good thing with the theme. So we are going to discuss all these things, rest of the things about the features. Let us first install the theme, and I am ready with this code and press installation of WordPress, and it is using the default 2025 WordPress theme. And I got this cPanel based hosting plan, and you can also explore the best hosting at WP Themes website. Right. So in the theme pack, I have this installable theme file. This is rakon.zip. The child theme is also included. Some XD files, the changelog that I can see here. 3 plugins, Visual Composer, the add-ons, and the Revolution slider has been included in the theme pack. So we can proceed with this rakon.zip for our installation purpose. Installation is going to be simple, and you just need to follow the simple steps as we always do for WordPress website. We can simply upload the theme through the appearance section. Once the rakon.zip file is selected, simply click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds. The theme file size is around, let me check it, so around 13 MB in size, so which is a very good and moderate size. Theme got installed successfully within few seconds. To check the further details, we can go to the theme page. This is Rakon here with the default theme, and I am using version 2.3.1. As on date, this is being the latest version, and you always need to check the latest version, the latest release date through the link even in the video description, and themeforest.net is the place where you have to check all these things. So 22nd December 2025, just few days back when I am recording this video, right? So we can simply activate the theme here, and on activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So I can see 13 plugins here, so it is okay. There's a big list, but let us see. WPBakery page builder is here, and the Elementor as well. So we have choice to choose any of these page builder. Both page builder works fine, as we have seen in earlier videos. Contact Form 7 as usual, MailChimp for WooCommerce, for WordPress for creating the subscription, MetaBox and one-click demo import is here. The Rakon add-on for bringing the core features at the website, the ultimate member, the WP24 domain check. Okay, so this is another feature, and the WooCommerce itself is here with some enhancement feature of WooCommerce. HubSpot is also included, like forms, pop-ups and all. So I'm going to select all these plugins, 13, selecting install, clicking on apply. This process may install all the listed plugins here in a single click. Okay, cool. So it took another few seconds in installing all the plugins here. And you can see all green marks is simply indicating all had been installed successfully without any error. So it is important to install all the plugins properly, and I'm coming back to the plugin installer screen. And this time I'll select all again to activate all the installed plugins. Okay, great. So all has been successfully activated as well. Coming back to the dashboard. So I have some alert like ultimate member needs to create several pages like profile, registration and all. So we can create these pages, and HubSpot alert is here. So I can see some new navigations that I'll explain in the video later part of this video itself. But let us first check our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins, and then we can proceed for the demo website. So this is the basic layout, and we can target multiple pre-made website with the theme, and I'll show you the demos, and I have already shown you the demos in fact. So these are the demo websites like Workspace, Software, Charity, or you can target with the Rakon WordPress theme. So I'll find the option where we can import the demo. Under appearance, I can see import demo data, and here is the option to choose what exactly we want. Like Rakon with the WPBakery demo content, and Rakon is with Elementor. So I'll go with the Elementor, and in the later part we can even check the WPBakery version. So all demos are going to be imported in a single import. So I'll go with the Elementor. So I'm clicking on import demo, and let us see how it works. On the next page, we have continue and import, and now the demo content import process is begun, and we need to wait on this screen without disturbing the process. Just to check, you can open the media library in another tab, and if you are getting images here, it means the process is working fine, and you just need to wait until you are getting any message on this screen. So I'll wait and let you know what happens next. Okay, cool. So it took around 6 to 7 minutes for me to reach on this screen, and it is simply saying import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. Yes. So I can check my website is ready. My demo website is here, and I got all the elements here. And if we check the media items, number of media items, why it took around 7-8 minutes in importing demo content, 373 media items images was included in the demo content. So this is being the main reason why it took around such a so 7 minutes or even 10 minutes is a moderate time. It depends on the infrastructure, the hosting, the internet that you are using. For me, I'm using the shared hosting plan, and you can also avail the hosting through the video description link at WP Themes website. You can compare hundreds of themes, plugins, and how-to guides are here. So all videos are collected here. So you can watch the videos for selecting themes and all, and you can explore the hosting. You can go to the iCreate program where you can get in touch with a direct mentor. I mean, with a mentor to get all the support for your WordPress website on the live chat. Yes, so it is all free. So it is all free. You don't need to pay anything. And yes, so for buying the theme, you need to spend the $39, and it should be done on the theme for startnet through the video description link, right? And okay, so now if we check the pages we got, there should be many pages because uh, all has been imported in a single import. And if I can check the home pages, okay, so all the home pages are here. So it is going to be very easy to select the desired home page as per our requirement. So all home page can be seen here, like this is workspace that we seen in the very beginning of this video, and I can check this page. Okay, so it is fine here, and we got the complete content. Yes, it is good. And uh, so all the pages, I mean 43 pages has been included in the demo. You can choose your desired homepage. For setting up the homepage, you need to go under appearance, under customize. You have option to set the homepage that you want. Like I'll show you. This is homepage setting, and under homepage setting you can select the homepage that you want to have at your website that you want to that you are going to use. Further, under customize option we have all the general settings like the preloader or the preloaded images, the back on top options, all the basic settings can be seen. And the header settings we have uh, multiple header options that we can choose directly for our websites. So depending upon the layout that you are using, you can select the headers. Similarly, the header settings, in this header settings page, header enable, disable, or the background image can be set here. Extra settings gives option to header model button enable and disable option, hover model button, text and all. So this is all about settings. You can export the things that you want to do, like the logo settings, footer setting, layout, blog, and the service settings. So all the basic and required settings can be availed through this customize option under the appearance menu. So this can be also set as the theme options. Further, we have the Rakon settings, and the same settings may be available here as well. Like it, and it can be the general settings, the header setting, the same settings are here. The page settings, the header extra or the logos, the layout, the service settings, and like service can be either in two columns, the typography and the 404 and all. So all basic settings can be done under this Recon menu. And further, for next of the part of the website, like if you want to edit the services being displayed on the website, it can be here, but it is not exactly. You can add the new service just in case if you want. HubSpot is also here for the additional things, like you can use the HubSpot base and you can create your HubSpot account here for CRM and all such basic activities regarding marketing and automation for your business. Next, we have the WooCommerce. In case if you are targeting an e-commerce website with a theme, you can do so. So the WooCommerce and the products and some additional option for WooCommerce is also here. So we need to complete this WooCommerce setup before we proceed, and it will be fine for using the e-commerce facility with the website. Now, when you have imported the demo content, since I have imported demo content, it is important to disable the WPBakery page builder at the plugin screen. So if we are finally going to use any of the page builder, and since we have imported the Elementor demo, we can simply disable the WPBakery. Both page builder cannot be used at a time. So it is important, and it is not even recommended to keep both plugins active, WPBakery page builder and the Elementor. Only one should be used for which you are using the demo data. Okay, so all good, and I feel I have shown you much of the screen, all of the screen in fact, regarding the settings and all. So for editing the main content, the front end content, you can simply use the Elementor page builder. Since we have selected the Elementor based page builder, I must check the menu. My menu is not here. Under appearance menu, manage location, and it's here company menu. So we can simply select the menu, and it should be here on the home page or on the all pages. Yes, menu is working fine here. So it needs to be selected, right? So everything is working fine with the theme, and for editing the content, we will simply open the page that you want to edit and simply click on the edit with the Elementor. And the Elementor is very easy to use page builder that is being prominently being used on the WordPress website. So simply open the page with the Elementor, start editing the content. What you have to keep in mind, use the same dimension of image, use the same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website, and rest things are going to be super fine and easy for you. Okay, so I believe you can do all these things at your own, and Don't worry for support. We are here all around to help your WordPress website through our iCreate program. All the links had been given in the video description. Only you need to buy the theme at themeforest.net. For $39, you will get the theme itself, the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 months support from the Stay theme, who are the original developer of the theme. And in addition to this, we are going to join the iCreate program for free. Okay, so you can start building a multi-purpose website, business website using the Rakon, and you have all the options to choose and compare at the WP Themes website through the link given in the video description. I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.